to really swing that bat, okay? Now the trick is to really keep your eye on the ball, okay? Here we go. Yeah, you want that sucker to really fly. Now you want to give that thing a lot of air, okay? There you go, give it some good pump. So you want it to really fly. You want it to blast off. Yeah, there you go. No, you want to point that up. No, son. What do you, no. Don't push that button. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to wind that baby up and you want to throw it as hard as you can, okay? Okay. All right, come on. Ooh. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that sucker. Where'd it go?
Hey!